Showing you how to make an omelet in the microwave for only 2 minutes actually. Subscribe, like, no real comments down below, but hope you enjoy. They just take I put maybe 6 eggs. You can do less than that, but that's how many I made, okay? I'm just gonna usually put the ingredients that I put in mine. Meat. You can cook this on a regular daily basis, but it's whatever what you want to do. This is an easy egg hack. Put some cheese. Made a mess, but mix it up. You're gonna have to put 2 layers of cheese, but that's what mine looks like. But okay, so I put onions in mine. I don't know if you do that, but it's better tasting. So that's what I do. Okay, so, oh, my eyes are already watering. It. Okay, so we usually add 1 more egg, but it depends on how much you're going to eat of it. So how much do you want to eat of it? So this method is really easy, plus you get no yolks. It's like cooking eggs in a pan. Currently hearing all this stuff. Onions. You know what? We'll just use this piece. But it's an easy, simple hack that anyone can do. So. I'm gonna cut it up a little more. Then put the cheese on top. Mix it. I'm doing a couple of layers of cheese just because I like my omelet is really cheesy. So add salt and pepper. It doesn't really put salt and pepper on it. It like warms it up, but you can't really taste it. But That's what I do, so it's like gives it a little bit of flavor, but you still have to put more on, so it's whatever how you want to do it. Okay, so put that one up. Okay. So okay. So here's what it looks like. So I'm putting on 2 minutes in the microwave. But for now, I'm going to show you a cool thing that I tried out yesterday. I never heard of it, but this is what I tried yesterday. Okay, so I took like a regular old egg that had yolk in it, and I put it in a bowl of water, and I warmed it up for 4 seconds. 6 minutes. Get it all mixed up. Okay. And this is the egg that I made yesterday. Yeah, I made a couple. And I thought it wouldn't work, but it did. We're gonna crack it open and see if it like fully worked. Okay, so. Voila, boiled egg. Guys, it's working. Look. It's working. Look. See? Yeah. Look at that. That's how you know it worked. Okay, so I have to do something. It's working. It's working. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so It worked, guys. Yummy. It's a really cool thing to do. Those are really the cool, well, those are really cool to make, actually. They're really cool to make. Wait for that to get done. It's like 57 seconds, so. Guys, it's boiling. Look. That. It's almost done. Well, looks pretty much done. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. This is how it turned out. Look at that. Really yummy. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Salt and pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna try it, okay? Look, no yolks or nothing. No yolks, no yolks. Let me get a smaller piece. It is really good, really good. Take it just like an omelet. And that's how you make an omelet in the microwave. Bye guys. Subscribe, like, and just have fun watching my channel. Bye guys. I hope you make this. Show me when you can make this. Bye. I'll see you later. And BTW, I was looking over there because I was looking over there because I thought someone was watching me out there. And over there too. Because I thought some random thing was gonna happen or something. I don't know. Bye guys, love you.